Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to BSN, Business Source Network. I'm glad you're joining us this week. Last week, we talked about why do I need to do research? And in that, we talked about knowledge, making sure you educate yourself on your industry. Well, today, I want to answer the question on how do I get access to these resources and to knowledge. So the best way you do that is by making sure you use the free resources that are out there for you. So number one, you want to go to your local library. There, you can get a lot of data resources to do your market research. Okay, most libraries offer market research in their business department that's free to you. They'll even help you get the demographics and data you need for your market research. Now, you may have to pay for the library card, but that's not cheap, or is it? It is. It's really cheap, right? So it's not gonna, it's costing $35, $12, $10. You know, every state is different, so I don't know where you're at, but it's cheaper than buying an actual book or a subscription to a data source. You can go into the local library and get access to the data. Now, the next one is the SBA, the Small Business Administration, SBA.gov, SBA.gov. Now, you can find access to all kinds of information. First of all, they have a learning center. And in that learning center, you can learn about how to start your business, all the way over to government contracting. They go over everything. But they also give you access to all of their partners that partner with them to educate you on being a business owner, to help you get resources for finances and resources for classes and information, and also mentor you for free, right? So you have the Women's Business Center. They do that for women. You have the Veterans Business Outreach Center, who specialize in veterans. Right? So I don't have to spend a lot of money at first. You also have SCORE, and you also have the Small Business Development Center, which also offers classes and helps you with your business plan, helps you with all the different things you need to do for your business. So before you spend money, before you run out and hire people to help you, how about you do a little research and use the free resources that are accessible to you before you run out and do the other thing when you don't really need it yet? There will come a time when you'll have to hire someone to help you manage your business or help you navigate the process like a business consultant or a coach. But you don't want to do that at first when you don't really know what you want to do, where you want to go, and what's your end goal. You want to use the free resources that are out there that you can use to educate yourself so you'll know which way you're trying to go and how you're trying to grow your business. That way, when you get to the step where you need to hire someone, you already know you've maximized all of the free resources, and now I have to invest in myself to a different level. And there's levelings in business. I don't want to start out spending thousands of dollars on a person to help me when I don't even know where I want to go. I first need to make sure I maximize all the resources that are set out there for me. So go to your local SBDC, go online to your SBA.gov, and make sure you use all the free resources that are out there for you. Go to your local library and gather information and educate yourself on what type of business and industry you want to be in, because that is step number 2. All right, so till next week, I'm so happy you gave me the opportunity to talk to you. I hope this has helped someone, and we'll see you next week with the next tip. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.